Hi there. On this video again we're covering the same landline setup on your cell phone. This time around we're using a different application called Grandstream Wave. You would have already installed this application on your Play Store. It is completely free out of charge. Here I have already mine installed and I will now start adding a new landline. It will take me to the account settings, or rather the settings. I want to add a new account. I'll click account settings. These are the landlines that I've got already set up here, and those that are green are already active. Those that are gray are not active. So here you can set up a multiple accounts on the same cell phone number but different lines. We're going to click the small plus at the top, and here they're saying we already reached our limit, and we will quickly remove one. We'll delete that one so that I have space, and then I can start adding another one now. New account, and we are adding SIP account, and here we have to fill in the details. Because I have many accounts, I will have to have names so that I know how to identify them. In this case I will call this one E1. That's just a random name, no one has to provide it to you. And then you'll come to the SIP server. Here you just need to put in the IP address, which already would have been provided to you. You can request it if you can't recall it or if you did not receive it. You click OK. Then you will be asked for user ID. This time it's your landline number starting with a 27, no 0. 2731 10 900 2. You have put that. We will skip the SIP authentication ID. We do not need this because we're not configuring a cloud landline number. It's just a simple VoIP. And then we're going to move into password. I'll insert my password, which already I have received via email. Let me just start afresh. I lost that one. 63 VP 8IK. All these details that you put here already, you have been provided with them. Here it's just the account name. You can put in any random name, can be your company name or anything, it doesn't matter. The SIP server would have already been provided to you. The SIP user ID will have been provided to you. That is your landline number that you're going to be using for incoming and outgoing phone calls, and your password here. This is a very simple application, a simple setup. Here you can deactivate or activate the account. It's like if you want to switch it off, if you don't want to receive phone calls, you can just deactivate and you can activate. And I'll click in OK. You will see it started to be red, but now it's green. The fact that it is green, it simply means it actually worked, or rather it is actually working and it is active. If you wish to deactivate it, you can deactivate it. If you come back here to accounts, you'll see it is gray. E1 is gray, and if you activate it, you're going to be able to receive phone calls. So there isn't any difference really between Voip and Grandstream Wave. The only difference is that Grandstream Wave will allow you to add more accounts on the free version of the application compared to Voip. Voip will allow you to add only one account. So if you have multiple landlines, you can have them here and you can choose to activate and deactivate them at any time. So that is the setup, and if you want to make a phone call, you can now start making a phone call. I'll just make a quick test phone call to the same number, and it will definitely be going through in that case. So that is how you do the setup, and we're done here. Thank you.